And that's why as a university, we have come out very strongly working in this project of greening Narok County to see whether we can enhance the forest cover in Narok County. Please let us conserve the Mau forest, let us conserve the Mara River, let us conserve our tourism. Even the women who are selling beads to the tourists, that is the only source of living that they know. If we destroy tourism, then where will these women go? How will they feed their children? How will they educate their children? Because their livelihood is dependent on shanga, the sale of shanga. And that's where they draw their livelihood from. I've been to Sekenani, and I see them with their beads, with all those beautiful things, which they sell to earn a living. I want to appreciate Linus for just taking time off to come and talk to our students. I'm also appealing to the MA professionals. If they can also take time off, whichever area of expertise you have, just come and talk to me and we'll create time for you on an afternoon. You talk to these students, because when we bring people to mentor them, we are actually exposing them to what is happening in the outside world, and we are preparing for them for the job market.